Hey you! Imagine you just dropped your first paycheck or some birthday cash into your bank account. You probably picture it sitting in a high-tech vault, protected by lasers and a giant steel door, just waiting for you to come back, right? Huh? Actually, the second you walk out those doors, that money is basically gone. Banks aren't just giant piggy banks. They are financial intermediaries. That is just a fancy way of saying they are the middleman between people who have money, that's you, and people who need to borrow it to buy houses or start businesses. Your money doesn't sit unused. It becomes the fuel for the bank's entire business. Take 5 seconds. If your money was a person, do you want them sitting on a couch in a vault or out there working a job to bring back more friends? How they get rich off you. So, how do they actually turn your $100 into their profit? It's all about the interest rate spread. Think of it like a markup at a sneaker store. Buy low, sell high. The bank might pay you a tiny 0.5% interest to keep your money in a savings account. But then, they take that same money and lend it to someone else for a car or a house at 6% interest. They pay you pennies, collect dollars from the borrower, and keep the difference, the net interest margin, for themselves. Yeah, they are literally using your safe deposit to make their shareholders rich. This is called fractional reserve banking because they only keep a tiny fraction of your cash in reserve and lend out the rest. The mindset shift, owner versus employee. But here's the motivational part. You are actually much more powerful than money. Money is just a tool, and you have what it takes to use it for growing your dreams instead of it being a pain in your ass. Most people think the only way to make money is to work a job and get a paycheck. That's ordinary earned income. But the real secret to wealth is ownership. Instead of just being the fuel for the bank, you want to learn how to convert your income into passive income, money that works for you even while you sleep. Banks love sticky relationships where you stay forever and pay fees, but you have the power to write a new story about your money. Grab your phone. Finish this sentence. Being empowered about money would mean, question is, if they lend my money out, is it safe? Answer is yes. Most banks are FDIC insured up to $250,000, so even if the bank fails, the government ensures you get your money back. Your deposits are the lifeblood of the economy, but don't let the bank be the only one getting rich off them. Start seeing money as a tool for abundance and possibility. Learn the rules of the game so you can turn money from a master into your most loyal servant. Yeah, you've got the magic. Now go build your own vault. Small conclusion. This text transforms the technical reality of financial intermediation and net interest margins into a motivational narrative for teens. By understanding that banks treat deposits as a low-cost funding source, young people can shift their focus toward ownership and passive income to build long-term wealth. Not to miss videos like this, like and subscribe.